Ever wondered how you can solve common skin problems using natural remedies? It's a question that leaves many of us scratching our heads as we grapple with issues like dry skin, acne, and premature aging. But what if the answer was right in nature's backyard? A solution as simple as it is effective, hailing from the lap of Mother Nature herself. A secret weapon to combat these skin woes that's been under our noses all along. One of nature's best-kept secrets for radiant skin is coconut oil. Let's dive into why. Coconut oil is not just for your kitchen, it's a gift from nature for your skin. This humble oil, derived from the heart of tropical coconuts, is packed with a myriad of skin-loving benefits. Let's start with its moisturizing properties. Chock full of fatty acids, coconut oil can penetrate your skin on a deeper level than your average moisturizer. It seals in moisture and leaves your skin feeling soft and supple without leaving a greasy residue. Moving on, coconut oil is also a formidable ally in the fight against acne. It contains lauric acid, a powerful antimicrobial that can kill off harmful bacteria, including the acne-causing types. So, if you're battling persistent breakouts, coconut oil may be the natural solution you're seeking, but the benefits don't stop there. Coconut oil is also packed with antioxidants, particularly vitamin E, which can help slow down the aging process. It helps protect your skin from harmful free radicals and reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, giving your skin a youthful glow. And if that's not enough, coconut oil even has some sun protection properties. It's not a substitute for your sunscreen, but it can provide a little extra shield against the damaging effects of the sun. So, whether you're looking to hydrate your skin, fight off acne, slow down aging, or get a little extra sun protection, coconut oil has got you covered. From moisturizing to anti-aging, coconut oil truly is a versatile and powerful natural remedy for skin. In just a few minutes, we've discovered the incredible benefits of coconut oil for our skin. From its natural moisturizing properties that hydrate and nourish, to its rich content of antioxidants that fight off free radicals, coconut oil is truly a skin superhero. Let's not forget its lauric acid content, which has antimicrobial properties, keeping blemishes at bay and supporting your skin's overall health. Coconut oil also has the power to soothe and heal, making it a fantastic remedy for skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Its anti-inflammatory properties can calm inflamed skin, and its deep penetrating ability helps repair and rejuvenate skin cells. And remember, the benefits of coconut oil are not just skin deep. It's also a key ingredient in many natural beauty products, offering a non-toxic alternative to synthetic chemicals. So, the next time your skin needs a boost, remember the power of coconut oil. Nature has the answer.